Prior to conduct assessment, I've checked tools, equipment, materials. Based on competency assessment tools, they are arranged within safe environment. Before we begin, I would like to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Mark Dato, our TESDA representative, who handled the complete test package, and Mr. Fred Santos, our assessment center manager. Don't worry about the presence. They will oversee the conduct of assessment and check if the conduct assessment is in accordance to prescribed competency assessment methodologies and procedures. Good morning. I'm Jimmy Ulgado. I'm your competency assessor of Gas Tungsten Art Welding Institute. For this qualification, we have the following unit of competency: the basic, common, and core competency. Our methods of assessment will be written test, demonstration with oral questioning. If you satisfactorily achieve the required competency, the result will be competent. But if not, it will be NYC or not yet competent. Refrain from the sharing information regarding the process assessment to maintain the integrity and confidentiality. You are not allowed to take pictures in video during the entire assessment. And ask questions. So if you have any question, ask it now.
Yes, sir.
To maintain the confidentiality, result will be given to candidates. After the feedback, the result can only be accessed by the authorized personnel of TESDA in the assessment center. The assessment will be last for 8 hours, will include the demonstration and oral questioning. If there's a language barrier, or if you do not understand the instruction or step-by-step process, please do ask now. I'm more than willing to assist you. If you have taken any medication or prescribed time or during the assessment, you're not feeling well, kindly inform me and the TESDA representative. If you feel that you were incorrectly assessed, you have the right to make an appeal. The process is you may write a letter of appeal addressed to the AC manager. The formal letter submit within 48 hours from the day of the assessment. And the sit-down process will take place to discuss how the assessment was done. As an assessor, my role is to collect evidence and make assessment decision based on gathering evidence from result of your demonstration, oral questioning, and written test. If the result is competent, you will be received a national certificate which is valid for 5 years. For national certificate, the TESDA province office will be sending into your Gmail account day after the assessment. To open it, just follow the instruction given the email. If the result is not yet competent, you may apply for the assessment. Visit your assessment center office and fill up the application form and self-assessment guide. Please, the prescribed fee. Please pay the prescribed fee and wait for the assessment schedule. Okay. We now proceed to our assessment proper. Please bring me your admission slip. And then please sign the attendance. So since you have the assessment guide, you are submitting yourself for the national assessment. My final reminder for you is kung sino man po yung gusto sa inyo mag-CR or mag-break, pero po kayo 15 minutes break. Okay, nakapag-break na ba?
Sir.
Ibigay ko po sa inyo yung specific instruction para pakibasa na lang po. Tapos na po ba? Okay. Ang task po na gagawin natin ay 60 position ng bitaw. So, bago po natin umpisahan yung ating demonstration, kailangan nyo po munang siguraduhin na kayo ay naka-PPEs. Okay. Simulan na po natin ang ating safety test. So, yung ating safety test. Okay, meron po kayong isa't kalahating oras para gawin yan. Okay, so po. Dumako naman po tayo sa ating demonstration. Maaari ka bang sumama sa akin sa practical work area? Mr. Bueno? Okay, may nabigin yung demonstration. Okay, please. Stop. Ikaw din po, Mr. Jerry. Okay. Please take your seat.
Sir.
Umpisa na po natin ang ating oral question. Please, Mr. Vela. Ano po yung kailangan natin tandaan bago tayo mag-umpisa ng ating trabaho o demonstration?
Yung PPE, sir, tsaka safety precautions.
Thank you. Mr. Jerry. Ano ang madalas na nagiging epekto o defect ng isang process?
After post-break.
Okay po, bibigyan po akong feedback sa inyong mga test. Is Mr. Bueno? Nakita ko yung written test mo is good. Pass naman po siya. Saka well confident na mo po kayo sa inyong mga sagot sa aking mga tanong. Lahat po ng aking nakita ayon sa evidence na yun, kayo is confident po sa okay, congratulations po. So, lang po yung ating cars. Saka ito po ang ating text. Mr. Jerry, ayon sa nakaharap na ebidensya sa iyong gawa, napakahusay ng iyong ginawang demonstration. Masyado ka dito sa written test natin. Ngunit po sa inyong sa demonstration, aligtayan po isang bagay. Masyado po yung overlap ng copy. Kaya po, nakita ko po na hindi na po kayo competency. Pero kung po kayo mag-alala, kung meron man kayong pagdududa sa aking paghatol sa inyong ginawa, maaari po kayo mag-file ng o mag-appeal ng letter of appeal. Ngayon, isasabi po yun sa PC manager, tapos is within workable po yun for 3 hours. Pero, tanong po ba?
Wala po.
Ay, mapirma ko po yung hours. Okay, sakit. Ang assessor guide po at specific instruction ay iti-turn over ko na po sa ating TESDA representative. Doon na po nagtatapos ang ating pagkakandak ng ating assessment. Thank you.